Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Spendee application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Spendee application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the login page. Now, if you signed into your account using your Google, Facebook or your Apple ID, you can tap on the respective buttons. Otherwise, tap on Login with Email and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then enter your account password. You can then tap on the login button and you will be logged into your account on the Spendee application right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.